Hello everyone, in this lecture we will see that what are the tools which are required for the lab point of view. We will use virtual machines on our local system. For that we need a hypervisor. So I'm going to use VirtualBox here. So VirtualBox is freeware and it supports all the operating system we use, like it supports Windows, it supports Linux, it supports Mac operating system. So we will first install the VirtualBox. And as I mentioned, VirtualBox is free of cost. So you need not to pay any amount for VirtualBox. So how we can install this? So you just need to go to Google and search for download VirtualBox. Right? So it's a Oracle product. So when you come over here, so it supports Windows, Mac, Linux, Sun Solaris, right? So all these operating system it supports. So we need to get it for Windows because I'm using Windows operating system. And once you download it, right, it is very easy to install. And if you are using Mac operating system, you just need to follow the instructions to install this VirtualBox. So this is 168 MB. Installation, as I mentioned, it is very simple. You just need to follow the instructions in the wizard and you can install the VirtualBox. I have already installed this VirtualBox. Let me open that Oracle VirtualBox. So it is like that. So I already have some virtual machines here. So I have Ubuntu, Red Hat, and so on. So this uh, DevOps project, which we are creating, so this will be on the Linux operating system. I will be using Ubuntu operating system for this. Now here you see I have multiple virtual machines. So same way we will create our new virtual machines. But these virtual machines are complete operating system with the GUI. For Linux point of view, if we are having only the command line interface, that is also sufficient for our DevOps project. Mostly when we are dealing with Linux operating system, so we use CLI only. So, so first thing is that we need to download and install Oracle VirtualBox. Now, creating virtual machine, there are multiple ways, right? So you can go to the Ubuntu official website and you can download the latest version of Ubuntu ISO image and then you can install it. But in this project, I will create the virtual machine by using Vagrant. So Vagrant is a tool which is a product of HashiCorp, and this tool is creating the virtual machine with the help of a script, and that script is called the Vagrant file. So I'm going to use Vagrant file to create my virtual machine. So you can say it's a programmatic way to create the virtual machines, and it is very useful tool. So I will be using Vagrant to create my virtual machines. So how to download and install Vagrant? So you just need to go to the Google and you need to search for Vagrant download. Okay. So download and install Vagrant, right? So here you need to see which operating system you want to install. Vagrant supports Mac operating system, Windows, and Linux operating system. So I'm doing it for Windows. So I will go here and I will just uh, download this version, which is X. Uh, okay, yeah. So you can download this version, which is version 2.4.9. Download it. So it will take some time because it's little bit heavy package. Means it may be around 200 plus MB. So it is getting downloaded. It's very fast for me. So now it is downloaded. Now, yeah, it is 233 MB. Then what you need to do, you just need to open this. And installation is very simple. It is a wizard in Windows. So you just need to follow the instructions which is given in the wizard. So what it is doing, it is just searching that Vagrant, because we need to install Vagrant, and for Vagrant, whether the space, whatever it is required, is already there or not. So it is checking that condition, and once the space requirement is fulfilled, it will enable this next button. Okay. So if still it is waiting, just wait for a few more seconds. Okay, actually, I already have installed Vagrant also, so that's why it is doing a little bit more, uh, more checking. Right. So now it is showing me this option. So I accept this, and I'll click on this install button. So as I mentioned, installation is very simple. So you just need to follow these steps to install Vagrant. So it will pop up uh, some uh, message window where you just need to click on yes. Okay, so I will pause the video for some time. Once it is finished, then we will see how means we can verify that how the Vagrant is installed or which version of Vagrant is installed. So it took around 5 minutes to me to install this Vagrant because I already have Vagrant, so it updated that. So when you click on this finish button, so it will ask you to restart the system. So it's a better choice that you just restart the system. Okay, so you just need to click on yes, and then your system will be restarted. I'm pressing no at this moment, but you need to press yes. Right. So now, how do you check that Vagrant is installed properly or not? For that, I'm going to command prompt and I will run a command Vagrant and version. So it will tell you that which version of Vagrant is installed on your system. So again, it takes a little bit time. Yes. So this is the latest version, which is 2.4.9 as of today. And if it is not the latest version, it will show you that your system current version is this, and the latest version is something different. Then again, you can update your Vagrant by installing Vagrant again. So now Vagrant is also installed. VirtualBox is installed. Vagrant is installed. Third thing, I'm going to use Linux machine. For that, I need SSH client. So I'm going to use MobaXterm. So MobaXterm is a SSH client. So with the help of that, we will connect to our virtual machines. Okay. You can also use PuTTY if you want, or if you are a Mac user, you can directly use the terminal. Okay. So now let me show you how you can download and install MobaXterm. So for that, you need to go to Google and search for the MobaXterm. And here it is a free version. So we will use the free version only. So you can click on download. And here you can see there is a portable version where you need not to install the MobaXterm. So it includes the installation file or the executable file. So it's a portable version. Whereas if you want to install by uh, by using a wizard, then you need to download and install this MobaXterm Home Edition using Installer Edition. Okay, so I'm using this one. So for that, again, you just need to click on this. It will download and then you can install MobaXterm. So I have already installed the MobaXterm. Let me show you how it looks like once it is installed. So you can see this is MobaXterm screen. And here you can see there is a session. So we will be using session and I will show you how to use this in our upcoming lecture. But at this moment, you need to install MobaXterm on your on your operating system. So that's it for this lecture. And in next lecture, we will see that how to create virtual machine by using Vagrant file. Thank you very much.